What's up, yo? Crisco here. This is the lobby in the incredible Christmas place in Gatlinburg. And this huge clock rings every hour on the hour. So at any minute, we got a couple minutes here, and any minute this thing is gonna ring. So it's Christmas here year-round, 365 days a year. And there's the Christmas tree. Steps to go up. So it's been a really fun stay here. And at any minute, these two, here we go. This is it. There it is. Oh, here we go. There you have it. Incredible Christmas place in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. Y'all check it out when y'all in the area. Go Tigers. There you go.